Good morning. Welcome to Dinah's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video guys, consider to subscribe to my channel guys. Guys, I'm going to prepare some fufu for me and my sisters. This is my coconut milk, my salt, and you can add some butter. I'm going to add some long meat butter, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm going to pour 2 cups of water in a pot with my coconut milk, my salt, and my butter. Then I'm going to remove some of the coconut milk so if I need it later. So guys, I'm going to start with about half a cup of fufu. I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm going to use more liquid, more than fufu. Now guys, you want to make sure you have a good spoon because you're going to do a whole lot of, stirring. So I'm going to stir this for around 5 minutes on and off, guys. You want to make sure your fufu cook really well. I got 2 gloves now and I have some extra. Correct, 2 extra. Like making seafood while I eat 2 one.
We're gonna use that.
What?
We're gonna use that one next time.
No, wait a minute. But I'm going to use that so. Yeah, 2 extra. Why?
Got the lemonade. Nice.
Curry mutton.
That is good night, man.
What?
This.
Oh yeah, who's
No.
there?
Come and cook it different. Make it different.
Sit now and please more.
Yeah, more than that. What more than that?
Me have dream pan this, from 10 times me come over there.
I mean,
But then I make it.
you know, she love it, man. My sister, she love the fufu, you see.
Tastes good.
I first can eat it with the mutton. Mutton is
Mm-hmm.
good, it is.
Oh my god, it tastes so good.
I eat it with tin mackerel before. I eat it with a lot of stuff up there. First I eat it with curry chicken.
Yeah.
But the goat tastes good, it is. Same curry, but I goat.
This tastes real good. Yeah? Tastes real good. Number 1.
Guys, if you never eat fufu before,
Try.
with curry mutton, try it. But we make it different. We make it with coconut milk.
I would never leave over my sister without this.
Yeah, me not make it with water. Me make it with coconut milk, guys. So you know, it's nice.
It's fun. You guys should try it and make it. Go up on our YouTube channel and you
We
will
make it
see.
with coconut milk. I'm gonna season up the coconut milk. I'm gonna put the powder in it.
Right, man, almost done. I'm one piece now.
Right?
Whatever. See that, man? Almost done. One piece now.
More.
Yeah, no, make that more in pot. But you know, some cook right from people.
I'm going to eat that before I go more.
Every two. This is so easy. Me and my sister enjoying fufu. Well, fufu. They were curry mutton.
Curry mutton. But the mutton never tastes bad, tastes good.
They might have gone. They don't have to the mutton.
Actually, when you just cook it, when you cook it, eat it next day, I feel like it's nicer.
No, I do a good job with the mutton. I do the oxtail bad too. Oxtail bad. You know, do a good job with oxtail. We just put it in the oven.
Yeah.
We put in the arm.
Actually,
We put the arm knife in the oven.
I hope I can get pizza before I go away. Hope I get my one before I go away.
So now tomorrow you go.
I'm on in here.
Yeah, just like that. So I just put in that oven. So, when you cook, you get some. You can have a rice and peas too.
Yeah, for my lunch.
For tomorrow.
Guys, my one almost finished. Guys. Okay.
Want to taste it?
Just the flavor difference. No, I tried eating.
Good guys.
Just taste it. Which one you want? 'Cause I like it more.
The first time I taste this guy, my sister look about it. Oh my god.
They told you it tastes
And I
like
say,
potatoes.
I would
You want more?
never leave over here and don't get
Couldn't
it.
be like tuna.
Yeah.
Did you finish Stranger Things? Did you finish Stranger Things?
Mm-hmm. I'm done. And you want some?
No, the episodes for Christmas
Nice,
came
nice.
out.
No, me never saw that one there.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Those one, I think
Me?
2 or 3 episodes came out on Christmas.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Holy.
Remember they're releasing them like
Yeah,
little by
the
little.
mutton,
Mm.
And then the next episode after that is New Year's.
very good.
Oh, I never know.
Yeah, so I think 3 more or 2 more episodes came out.
Oh. Mm.
Very nice guy. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna go for more me I go for.
But if you have a second.